Welcome back to Automoto Moguls. In this episode, we'll explore the world of motoring with unmatched style and craziness. So, get ready to be blown away by speed, the latest technology, and unlimited excitement. Let's start.
The E-Tron GT, Audi's first electric sedan, is a stunning vehicle that fulfills all requirements for fast charging and luxurious sedan styling. However, given that prices in the USA range from $106,000 to $114,000, it's unclear why someone would choose the Audi over the other vehicle. Let's investigate why all of it is altered in the slightly modified 2024 model. The 2024 E-Tron GT offers mega fun by the Megawatt. It shares its platform with the Porsche Taycan, and the Audi offers dizzying acceleration to match its corporate cousin. All-wheel drive is standard, and the entry-level powertrain cranks out 522 horsepower. The racier RS E-Tron GT bumps that figure up to 637. Even though we were able to get 240 miles of range out of the RS E-Tron GT during testing, this is less than competitors like the Lucid Air and the Tesla Model S. Audi at least comes equipped with a handy 270 kilowatts DC quick charging feature. Once inside, there are plenty of tech features, premium materials, and tons of style, despite the inside being small and possibly challenging for certain people to enter and exit. EVs with more range provide a stronger case for living entirely on electric power, even though Audi's fastest EV is thrilling to drive and gorgeous to look at. In summary, the 2024 Audi E-Tron GT offers the ideal balance of unparalleled elegance and spectacular electric performance. The 2024 E-Tron GT is the best option available in the world of electric vehicles thanks to its amazing design, powerful performance, and good fuel economy. The 2024 Audi E-Tron GT is prepared to transport us to a sustainable mobility future while providing an amazing driving experience.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share.